Hi guys, let's briefly discuss one of the issues faced by management accountants. Now if you look at this is a timeline where we are standing in the present, that's now. So we are always in the present making our decisions, planning for the future. So all our tasks happen now. Now behind this little guy, so on this side, we've got the past here. So that's history or the past. It has already happened. So this is where our financial accounting took place, or financial reporting. So our annual financial statements all reflect past information. So it has already happened. So it's quite accurate and we know what happened. We know what it is. So it's easy to pinpoint. Now the problem with management accountants is our job is looking into the future. So we are looking this way. So we need to make decisions that's going to affect the future. We need to plan for the future, so preparing budgets, and we need to control our resources, and all of this is going to have an effect on the future. Now, what is the problem with the future? Why do I stress this so much, this difference between the past and the future? The future has not happened yet, so it's uncertain. We don't know what it looks like. So for that reason, we need some techniques that help us to estimate what is going to happen in the future.